we're taking apart this Lumar 46 winch. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull this little ring cap spring clip out of here like that, and then we're going to pop this ring out like that, and then we're going to quickly take our screws out like that. Okay, and then the screws are out and we lift the cap off, exposing our main drum. And then at this point you need to shut it off because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. And then with the top cap off, you work the whole main drum up.
This one.
It's really heavy.
Yep.
There's your gears and your bearing surface in there.
Okay.
And everything is in here.
Great.
With the drum off, we've got our inner bearings and our gears and reversing gears. And this is kind of stiff here, so we're going to put some oil down in the shaft here. And then we're going to put some grease on the lower gears because it looks all really good in here.
Okay, good.
We're just a little stiff.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah. So will this need cleaning up a bit?
Yeah, but yeah, it's not, it's cosmetic.
Yeah.
It's strictly cosmetic.
Yeah.
Now we're going to take the bearings off. They come encapsulated in their little cages. The spacer comes off and goes in with it. We're just doing it in order so that you can put it back in reverse order. And the spacer on the bottom, like that. And that gets us down to the shafts of the gears themselves. And these pins here might come out easily. The Lumar, they just slide right out of there. And
Dry.
it's all pretty sticky with the old grease in there. It slides right out of there.
Connected.
Okay, now this is your main reversing gear here, and
Oh wow. That's really cool.
that's where the springs are.
Okay.
Okay, so it's a little loose, it feels fine.
Yeah.
We're gonna just see what's in there. One pawl on that side, one pawl on that side. We're free. The inside of the ratchet, the two pawls, they're captive.
Okay,
These are the two pawls,
Yeah.
those are the little springs.
Okay.
This is all really goopy. It
Yeah,
all
no
needs
wonder
to
it's
be-
stuck, huh?
It all needs to
Yeah.
be wiped
Yeah.
off.
Okay.
Okay?
That's what got me.
These,
Yeah.
these pawls will slip up.
Okay.
They just come off their shaft right there.
Okay.
That's where you lose. If they stick while I pulled that apart really carefully,
Yeah.
because if they stick
Yeah.
as you're
When
pulling
they're
this
out.
apart,
Thing.
that's when they'll
Yeah.
fly.
Okay.
To put them back in, you just close them and turn them in the right direction,
Okay.
and away they go.
Yeah.
We've got our gears out. We're coming back to our top. We're gonna pull our little keepers out of here, like that. They just slide out there. There would hold this. Oh, no chance there. All
I'm stuck.
We'll get our handle here and put it back in, and we'll just, oh my goodness, this is tight. All right, all right, all right. And we pull the shaft all the way out. Get rid of the handle. There's our little gear on the bottom with chunkies all in it. Complete with chunkies. We're down. We're as far as we're gonna go.
Okay.
So now you'll clean up this whole shaft.
Yeah.
You'll clean up this whole hole.
Yeah.
It's like glue in there. That is not lubrication, that's adhesion. All right? So
Yeah.
you'll clean up all down in there, clean up
Yeah.
all the housing here,
Yeah.
clean up everything there,
Okay.
clean up your gears here,
Yeah.
and
Good
it
to
all
go.
goes back together.
Yeah, let's get all the grease off. Okay. The petrol helping. Be shiny and sparkly. And hopefully actually work.
Alright, all the way around, now you
Yep.
can just paint that up. Like that, exactly. Perfect, look at that.
Yeah, move that towel on.
Okay, a little more up the top there. There you go, and then do your 2 holes. And that's there. That one down there, and just for grins. Go ahead and put paint around that ring there. And carefully turn it over and go ahead and just hit that corner there. Alright.
Line it up over those holes, huh?
Slide that, level it out a little bit there. Your back's too high. It's too high. Drop that down. It should slide right. Doesn't it?
Doesn't it go up the other way? There we go. Okay.
Right. And then your pin.
Yep. It works.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
Like that. Let's mix this out of there.
Yeah.
And paint them all good. We'll go back this way. We go back this way. Hold it. When you stop about here
Yeah.
and hold it by your middle finger, by your finger in the middle hole. See how that stops?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
See how I'm not nearly
down.
as good as you at this part, but I could better
Going
hold that.
down.
Yeah, go, let it go. And now twist it in. Make sure you get in your gears. There you go.
Yeah.
And then all the way down one more time, I think.
Alright.
I think you got another twist now. Nope, not true, not true. All right. Do they need to? They should just fit in that groove there and lock it in.
Woo!
I'm just gonna pull this
Looking
bucket up
good.
behind you there.
Just do the inside. Yeah.
Okay.
Then the teeth.
All right, you got that all
Going
greased, and she's going on down here.
On
Carefully,
Whoa.
carefully lower it on there. Make sure it's lined up so it goes on nice and smooth. Just like that. Why don't you turn it and see if it turns? Oh, it does turn. Oh, cute. All right.
Alright.
I was gonna say, really. Just like that.
Done,
And we've
done.
got no extra parts and no extra holes.
Hey, thanks, Adrian.
You're
That's
welcome.
great.
Right? So
Yay.